morning, sir.
Good morning, Rafiq. Please introduce yourself.
Again, my name is Rafiq Mohammed. I'm born and raised up in the Jagitiala and completed my schooling in the Jagitiala only in the Jyoti High School with the CGPA of the 8.8. And after my completion of the schooling, I came to the Hyderabad for the intermediate in the Sri Chaitanya Junior College, and there I got the mark 782. Later, after completion of my intermediate, I went to the hometown, and from there on I graduated my BTech in the College of Bageshwari College of Engineering with the CGPA of 60 with the 60% percentage. I took the Computer Science of Engineering course in that. So later I took the course in the DevOps and AWS. I learned very much in the Magneq softwares. I learned very much in that.
Okay, what about the skill set? Have you completed the Linux?
Yeah, I completed the Linux.
Okay. Let me ask two questions on the Linux. Before that, I am asking one question. How much rate yourself out of 5 in the Linux?
Like 4.5.
4.5. Okay. Let me ask few questions in the Linux directory structure. What is the purpose of the /bin?
/bin contains the /bin contains the directories information in the.
It contains the all commands work because of bin. All commands will be there in the because of bin. Okay. What is the purpose of the /var?
In the /var it contains the log files in the
Log files,
database.
database files, and varying files. Okay. Let me ask few questions in the Linux commands. Okay. If I want to create the empty file, how can I create?
Touch F1.
Touch F. I want to know the size of the file. How can I know? How can I know?
ls-lh
Okay.
in the human database
Okay.
system.
I have created F1 and F2. I want to move the F1 and F2 data to the F3. What is the command?
mv f1 plus f2
MB. I want to copy, not B.
copy cat f1 f2 greater than single greater than f3.
3. Okay. Okay. I have created one user,
Okay.
D1. That directory user owner group owner is the root. Okay. Directory user owner and group owner is the root. Okay. Directory user owner and group owner is the root. Okay.
For directory there is a root is the user owner and group.
Root is the user owner and group owner.
For the directory one.
For directory one, D1. Okay. I want to change that root user to Anji. Anji. I want to change the user owner group owners to the Anji.
ch1 fne ch1 Anji colon Anji file directory 1.
Directory one, D1. Okay. I have created one file. There will be on default permissions of the directory. What is the default permissions of the directory?
777.
Directory.
For the directory it's 777 default all permissions.
755.
755 sorry.
Default permissions of the file
355.
666.
674.
Please go through that. Okay. I have created F1, F2, F3. I want to compress that 3 files. How can I compress?
Zip we have to give a file name .zip f star file all files.
How can I extract?
Unzip the zipped file name.
Zip file name. What is the difference between a zip and a tar and gzip?
In the zip we can compress the file up. It will compress the file whether we can't say it is compressed too much. It will compress some. In the tar gzip first to
Comparatively, zip means tar and gzip will be more compressed.
In the tar gzip. First for gzip we have to create that tar file. But then
after that gzip.
We have to convert the tar file into gzip.
Do you know network commands?
Yeah.
If I want to check the disk usage of the entire operating system, what is the command? Disk usage of the entire operating system. Disk usage of the server.
D-H.
DF-H. Ja, do you have any questions?
On the basis of
Do you have any questions like? Okay, no. Okay, you have to improve on an advanced level. You have knowledge. You have good knowledge on the basics, but you need to learn about in advance. You need to improve a lot in the advanced commands. You need to improve on the advanced commands like network commands, storage commands, and also some set command like. Okay, you need to improve in advanced level.
okay, in the live stage, like a live project and
Okay,
the
you need to
scenarios, I
improve.
believe.
Only you need to improve. You have good as basics. You need to improve a lot in the advanced level. Thank you.
Thank you.